Thank you for joining me today, folks, on Joe's Random Reviews. I'm Joe, and today we're at the local RV dealership, so keep watching through the videos so you can see all the fancy features. So stay tuned, folks. Here it comes. Welcome back to Joe's Random Reviews. Today I'm going to show you the EZ-Trail Airlie 16. This little trailer is an off-road RV built for the toughest terrain. This little RV is a full composite panel construction, which makes it super strong, lightweight, and is built to last. The outside flush tinted windows give it a sleek modern finish while allowing great natural light to enter inside, and at the same time protects you from the sun. This RV trailer rides on an independent suspension system, and the EZ-Trail backs it with a lifetime warranty on its chassis and drawbar, and that's pretty good across the board. The ride is cushioned with Apita shock absorbers, which gives you the unbeatable confidence off-road. Up front, there's a massive toolbox with dual 4-kilogram gas bottle holders, which secures your propane tanks, and they're nice and protected. Also, I really like the fact that there's a water faucet right here on the frame, which is connected to your large water tank. Now, I don't see a ton of outside storage, but this storage actually works out pretty good, and it's got lots of room. And you have the option to add an external kitchen here, and it's so perfect for those sunset cookouts. Now, let's check out this roof. Guys, you can stay completely off-grid with this 400-watt roof-mounted solar power system, and it's also set up with a 240-amp lithium battery storage. It also comes with 120-liter freshwater tanks. Also, it comes with an 80-liter gray water tank and a fantastic easy-fill automatic water filling system. This is just going to make it more convenient. Up in the back, there are 2 jerry can holders, and it's got a reverse camera, which makes it really easy to set up. For me, it's time to roll out this huge awning and sit outside so we can enjoy some outdoor relaxing time. If you guys are getting some value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. It's totally free. Now let's make our way inside and see what this RV has to offer. As we step inside, I really like the way this thing looks. It's got a really nice setup. I see luxury and comfort. I also see loads of storage with really nice flush finish cabinets. There's a full-size queen bed, which are surrounded by reading lamps, USB chargers, and charging pads for your devices. For your inside entertainment, there's a 24-inch smart TV, and if you're tall, there's no more of your feet hanging over the bed. There's a handy bed extender, and it extends the bed almost a foot. This is a great idea. This seating area is really awesome, and it gives you tons of space to relax. The upholstery of these seats are real leather, which are super comfortable. It comes equipped with a folding dining table, which is really handy. It comes with a premium kitchen sink, including a soap dispenser, expandable tap, and you get filtered water and food trays. The kitchen also includes a microwave and a huge fridge and freezer. So let's check out this bathroom. The Airlie series includes a separate toilet and shower ensuite, which just improves how comfortable this little RV really is. There's also an external shower, plus a washing machine. You couldn't ask for better in such a small package. This little RV comes out with a reverse cycle air conditioning unit. The hot water is powered by an ultra-rapid 14-liter hot water system, which is perfect when you need it. All this in a little RV that weighs under 4,800 pounds, or 2,200 kilograms. This RV is easy to tow in all different terrains, including the off-road. So my final thoughts. This is a really nice little RV. It's got a perfect layout and it has tons of extras. I give it a solid 2 thumbs up. So let me know in the comments below what you think of this Airlie 16 EZ-Trail RV. Thank you again for joining me today, folks, on Joe's Random Reviews. If you got some value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and take the time to subscribe and ring that bell so you can be notified when the next video comes out. And if you enjoyed this video and you like toy haulers, click on this video right here. So we have lots more coming. We'd love to have you on board. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.